Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. Hello friend, this is unboxing of Counter-Strike Global Offensive. I purchased it from Amazon.com. So let's see what's inside. Packaging is solid. Oh guys. Let's see what's inside, bro. Yeah, what comes? Yes. CSGO काउंटर स्ट्राइक ग्लोबल ऑफेंसिव. तो ये रहा इसका सीडी, ये रहा बिल, और बिल देख लीजिए. ये रहा बिल, मेरे नाम पे बिल है. इसका प्राइस देख लीजिए, टोटल प्राइस 449. So there is a CSGO CD. Inside this there will be a CD. There will be a CD. Inside this box we have a referral code card, quick referral card. Here various comment, function or souls. Also here stream key. Or that's CD, Counter-Strike Global Offensive CD. Let's open it. The CD. विंडोज के लिए भी. तो ये रहा सीडी। इसको हम दिखा नहीं सकते क्योंकि ये स्ट्रीम की है। इस I can't show it. I love this game. I have no DVD drive, so I install Counter-Strike from Steam to put activation code. That's it. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe and like also.